what's going on? I just got me and I'm playing some random game called MLG. I don't know. I'm definitely like Snappy Bird. Oh god. What is this?
Damn, son.
Oh wow. Oh god. Doritos!
Damn, son.
Tapped it.
Damn, son.
Jesus Christ. I need to get over 100 straight away.
Damn, son.
Whoa! Doritos! This is one of those random games I've ever
Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son.
Jeez! This is well different to Snappy Bird. Really? Wow. What? Best of 94, I just got 60. Illuminati! Yay! Jesus! Why did I die this time?
Damn, son. Damn, son.
What? Oh wow, I should stop getting these.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Wow.
Damn, son.
No one has ever done
Damn,
that.
son.
Irish Peace Perform.
Damn, son.
I don't think I'm meant to get that weed up there.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
What? What is this? Why is it so loud? Great!
Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son.
What the hell is this? addictive. This was the original Flappy Bird.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Oh god. Oh no, never mind.
Damn, son.
How was I meant to do that?
Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son.
I need to just... Do you die when you just hit the top?
Damn, son.
Oh god, yeah.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Let me try that again.
Damn, son.
Oh wow, I couldn't see anything else.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Wow.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Favourite group, the Illuminati. Yeah. Oh dear.
Damn, son.
Yes, yeah. God's sake.
No one has ever done
Wow.
Damn, son.
Illuminati.
Damn, son.
Oh. I love this game. It has Illuminati in it. It's my favourite group.
ever done that. No one has ever.
Damn, son.
Mhm.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
One more go.
Damn, son.
Okay, I'm gonna go till I get 50 and then that'll be the end. game is not as easy as you think it is.
No one has ever done
Oh wow. Oh gosh. So once I die, that'll be the end of the video. Okay, thanks guys for watching. And don't download this if you have sensitive ears. Bye.